Hey, I got the top 5 gift ideas that's gonna blow any gardener's mind around, and it's gonna help them garden year round. Just watch. Right behind me, I have a raised bed from Quictent with cover. It is going to protect your crops throughout the winter and the spring from all these pests. Let me bring you in close so you can see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, this raised bed is very sturdy, and the cover is going to protect all of your crops from the weather and from any pests. Let me crack this open. So look, those are some nice collard greens. You don't see any bug pressure because of the cover that I have on it, and you can water inside with this mesh right here. I don't have to open it to water, but you can do however you like. But this right here is going to be a game changer. And I also have a discount code that is going to provide more savings for you, and I'll put that down in the description. But you can't beat that one for a gift idea for a gardener. Gift number 2, your very own greenhouse. Now, if you want to extend your growing season, or if you want to start a lot sooner before your springtime comes, this may be ideal for you. Right now, I am saving my citrus trees in here. I got them wrapped up so that they can make it through the winter time. I will put the link in the description as well as my discount code so you can have even more savings. I want to let you know that this video is being sponsored by Quictent. Now on to gift idea number 3. Gift number 3 is the hydroponic system from Growell. And look, I'm growing all of these plants indoors, and guess what? I can grow year round. So every gardener would love this as a gift. Let's go in and take a closer look. If you look close, I'm growing Hungarian peppers indoors. You can't do this outside in the wintertime. I got basil growing. All right, so I can grow summer crops indoors, and I have parsley, I have rosemary, and I do have some lettuce over here. But this is a great system that is going to encourage growth all year long, and it's easy to set up. This system comes in a kit, so all the food is already here. Only thing you need to do is supply your own seeds so you can grow whatever it is that you want to, and then it's game on. It has an automatic timer. It's going to do everything. All you have to do is make sure you feed it and make sure the water stays up, and it is foolproof. You're going to get growth just like me. I also want to let you know that I have a discount for 20% off, and I'll put that in the description down below so you can get more savings. Now let's go to the next gift. Gift number 4, they are the Vego trays, and they are awesome. Now you have the individual domes, and that's going to keep the humidity in, unlike these. So when some of your seeds are coming up, you have to decide to take all of them off. Now with these, you don't have to worry about it, but there's something awesome about this. So when I get ready to pour my water in this little dome, it is going to have its own drip system. If you can see, the water is dripping out right there, and it is going to water all your seedlings, get that humidity going, and then when they come up, I can just remove this. So it has its own drip system. But there's one other thing. There's 2 other things. If you see these slits on the sides, this right here is the air pruning method. So when the roots come out to the sides on these slits, it is going to prune them off. So it's not going to get root bound. And if you look at the bottom of it, you have an easy time to just push through with your thumb or your finger, and it slides the entire seedling out, and you don't damage the roots. So, and these are nice and sturdy. And believe it or not, I have another discount code down in the description for more savings. But this right here has been a game changer, saving your roots when you take them out, and you get to water them with their own little dome. Outstanding. Hey, do me a favor. If you like the gift ideas so far, give me a thumbs up and share this video to others that may like it as well. On to gift number 5. But wait, I do have a bonus, so stick around for that. Gift idea number 5 is your very own grow station. That's right. Now, this is a unique grow station because this is a cheaper grow station. Some grow stations are over $1,000, but I made this myself and I will put all the components in the description as well. I got the shelving from Amazon, and all I had to do was connect the lights myself, which came from Amazon as well. And I have these pulleys on the side. And so I will link everything in the description if you want to save lots of money, because your gardener, or if you are the gardener, you get to grow your own food, your own starts. So you don't have to go to all the big box stores where they raise the prices on those. So you can have lots of savings once you get your own grow station. So this right here is a big deal, and it's gonna save you a lot of money over the years, so you get to grow your own starts. All right, so let's go to the bonus idea. We'll see you outside. All right, for the bonus, most gardeners will be pruning soon, so you cannot go wrong with having these Felco pruners. I mean, they are nice and smooth. We got to take care of our fruit trees, and I'm gonna bring you in close so you can see how smooth these are. Now, gardeners will be pruning the dead vines right here and the branches going all the way up. So all you have to do is come in and just snip it, and that's how smooth they are. They like butter, and I had these for a long time. Now I'm gonna finish my pruning with these shears in late winter. So I hope this video has helped you with some gift ideas for the holidays, for birthdays, or any regular day for those gardeners that you love. So I'll see you in the next video right over here.